Now let me use a few equations to explain that. So let's say 2x raised to the power of 2. I'll write just 2s2, okay? Plus 4y raised to the power of 2, okay? Don't worry, I'm still going to raise it to power, so I'm just putting down the text and the numbers first, okay? Equals to 8, alright? So now, I have to raise these two over the x. So I will highlight the 2. Tap on the ribbon display option, which is the arrow position at the bottom right. Okay. Then I will scroll down. Then under more formatting, I will tap there. Then you can see options there, subscript, superscript, and change case. So I will tap on the superscript. That is what we want to do. You can see now I have scripted the 2. Then the other 2 as y. After y, I'll highlight this. Tap on the ribbon display option. Then tap on more formatting. Tap on superscript. Okay, we have gotten the final result we want in this equation, which is 2x raised to the power of 2 plus 4y raised to the power of 2 is equal to 8. Alright, so these are just a few steps you need to take to write superscript.